Christmas in September. Been waiting all year for this. Teal season's upon us. Plano 52-inch case has brought my Benelli safely to Southwest Louisiana. And we have some speed teal, because we're gonna go teal hunting, Skip. You gotta have Teoki speed teal to hit those teal.
Doesn't feel too much like fall weather and duck season yet, but it's going to be duck season here in no time.
I was going to ask for an IV of ice water. Do you have an IV of ice water?
That's a great idea.
Because it's about 94 degrees. I think the humidity is 174. There's such 174. It's hotter than a frying pan here.
It's not as hot as our barrels are about to get, hopefully, though.
No.
We're going to shoot some of these teal. We've been seeing fly all over the place driving in here. We're about an hour east of Lake Charles, Louisiana, and the birds are everywhere, and it's so hot and still so early in the morning. I know this.
It's not hot.
I know this is your your
There
life.
are no mosquitoes here.
Yeah.
There's no moisture in the air.
I keep thinking I see teal and it's mosquitoes flying around. Lots of birds in the area, though, and we're super excited. Getting our usual early start. Got the usual full moon to present a challenge. Birds fed all night.
Right out front, right out front.
Right there in the decoy.
So many species.
We got one in the decoy and one's coming around.
All right, get ready, Jim. You up? You up?
Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh. Wow. Rough start.
Huh.
Let's open our eyes next time.
Yeah, what the heck?
That's the best I've seen you shoot, Jim. You were getting closer to that teal than any teal I've seen you shoot at.
I didn't want to get the first one right away. I didn't want to end it that quick.
Here's the bad news, Jimmy. That's the easiest shot you'll have all day.
Just
Put it on his head as he's rising.
They go to the left.
Kill Miss Rock, kill Miss Rock, kill Miss Rock.
Mr. Skip Knowles. That's what a blue-winged teal looks like.
That's where you want to shoot him, Jim.
I seen
one
that.
pellet.
And I will say this on camera. #1 bird on the table is what you have in your hand. Hands
I won't
down.
argue with you.
Hands down.
All right, Big Rob. Leg Iron Outfitters, release the birds. We're ready. Right there, right there. I don't see one.
Nice. Nicely done.
Take 5 more of those, please.